Apple has just launched the new MacBook Air, which hasn't seen a design refresh since 2010. It has a lot of new upgrades and finally comes with a Retina display. Let's take a closer look. The all-new MacBook Air features a 13.3-inch Retina display. This also gives the display 48% more color and bezels that are 50% narrower than the previous generation. Besides the Retina display, the new MacBook Air's highlight feature is Touch ID, which is now found as a key on the keyboard and powered by the Apple's T2 chip. The T2 chip also contains the SSD controller and other vital components like an image signal processor. The new MacBook Air gets a backlit keyboard with individual lighting behind each key based on the third generation butterfly mechanism that is said to be 4 times more stable. There's also a brand new Force Touch trackpad giving it 20% larger area. Apple is also touting louder stereo speakers with more bass than before, and it features a 3-array mic. There are 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt 3 ports on the left side, which will give it power, USB, Thunderbolt connectivity, HDMI, VGA, and DisplayPort connectivity. There's also a FaceTime HD camera on top of the display. The all-new MacBook Air occupies 17% less volume than the previous generation MacBook Air. It's also just 15.6mm thick, which makes it 10% thinner than the previous Air. It weighs 1.25 kg, down from 1.34 kg of the previous generation. The all-new MacBook Air base model features 8 GB of RAM going up to 16 GB, an Intel Core i5 processor, and a 128 GB SSD going up to 1.5 TB. Its price starts at 1,14,900 rupees in India and goes up for pre-orders with availability from November 7th. So that was our first look at the all-new MacBook Air. For more tech news, reviews and features, log on to gadgets360.com.